Hello friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. If you want someone to join you for lunch, would you like to have lunch with me? Would you like to have lunch with me? When you need someone to close the window, could you shut the window please? Could you shut the window please? If you want to know where the nearest bus stop is there a bus stop nearby? Is there a bus stop nearby? When you want someone to call you later, give me a call when you are free. Give me a call when you are free. If you are trying to find the supermarket, how do I get to the supermarket? How do I get to the supermarket? When you want to offer someone a seat, please have a seat. Please have a seat. If you want someone to move a little, could you step aside, please? Could you step aside, please? Hey, don't just listen. Speak these sentences out loud. That's how your brain remembers them. When you want to check if a shop is open, are you open now? Are you open now? If you want someone to lower the volume, please turn the volume down. Please turn the volume down. When you want to know what's happening, what's going on, what's going on. If you need help finding something, I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys. When you want to encourage someone before a test, you have got this. You have got this. If you want to check the next train time, when is the next train? When is the next train? When you want to politely get someone's attention, excuse me, excuse me. If you want to know the Wi-Fi password, what's the Wi-Fi password? What's the Wi-Fi password? When you want to tell someone they did well, that was amazing. That was amazing. If you want to know when a shop will close, what time do you close? What time do you close? When you want to ask someone to open the door, please open the door. Please open the door. If you want to know the way to the hospital, can you tell me the way to the hospital? Can you tell me the way to the hospital? When you want to end a conversation politely, I should get going now. I should get going now. Great job, friends. Now your homework time. Try answering the question on the screen in the comments below. If you keep practicing daily, you will see a big improvement in your English. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks.